Cross your heart. How efficient is your warehouse technology? Conventional storage systems are usually personnel and therefore cost-intensive. A calculation example. Let's assume that you transport 20 tanks per hour into the warehouse. You need about 1.5 forklift drivers in 3 shifts. Let us further assume that you transport 30 tanks per hour out of the warehouse and make them stick. You need about 1.5 forklift drivers in 2 shifts. This means that in this example, you employ 8 people for transport alone. Calculated in wage costs, this means an expenditure of around 450,000 euros per year, not to mention the costs incurred by employee errors. With the storage system from Luetzenkirchen Lagertechnik, costs can be optimized enormously and efficiently increased. The key to success is automation, and that with maximum flexibility. For our storage system is as flexible as your production. The tanks are transported into the warehouse on 5 different trays, depending on the size of the stored goods. This is done fully automatically by automatic guided vehicles, AGVs for short. All areas of the hall are thus reached for maximum flexibility. To begin with, 8 AGVs are on the road at the same time. The number can be increased at any time, thus increasing the transport capacity. The trays are flexibly kept ready in storage towers or in the warehouse itself. The placement of the tank in the warehouse is done by a shelf loading device, also fully automatic. The advantage over conventional systems, the units are mounted above the shelf. AGV and shelf loading device can therefore cross and work in parallel. Telescopic forks are used to store and retrieve the trays. The control system distributes the production batches evenly over the 7 shelf aisles, so that even if one system fails, the ability to deliver is guaranteed. The storage itself is done individually. The storage location adapts to the stored goods. If there was a 1800 mm large tank in one place, 2 small tanks can be stored in the same place. If there are empty spaces in the warehouse, the storage and retrieval machine can, if desired, provide for compaction by relocation, so that the available space can be used optimally. The entire storage technology is fully automated. The capacity can be increased at any time without great effort. Your employees can therefore concentrate on other tasks. Would you like to know more? Talk to us. +49 2175 89790. Luetzenkirchen Lagertechnik solves your storage problems.